Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Carpe diem
is a famous Latin phrase meaning seize the day. It encourages people to make the most of the present moment rather than worrying too much about the future.
Carpe diem 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 Carpe diem.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.